Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing some Christmas decorating on my mantle here. Yes, I said Christmas. I'm going to be doing a little bit of decorating. Now I want to apologize for not showing my master bedroom with the fall decor that I was doing because I didn't get it done. So what happened was a couple days, maybe 2 or 3 days after I did my video, we got under contract and it's been a little hectic around here. So I didn't get it done. I did have my bins upstairs and I kind of had an idea of what I was going to do, but I just never got around to it because we had to go house hunting and find a house, which we did. So we're under contract with another house for us. And with all the inspections going on between the two homes, it's just been so hectic that I just didn't get it done. But now that we're past everything on that, I'm going to do some decorating on my mantle here. Miennes was so nice to send me a garland. I haven't opened it yet. It's in this box right here. And I can't wait to open it and get my mantle decorated. So I'm going to move the camera down to the floor here because I'm going to go ahead and open it up on the camera so you get to see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and get this opened. I don't want to cut my fingers here. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. Oh boy, another box. Always fun. All right. Get this box out of the way. And we'll open up this one. Right, here it is. Let's pull it out. This one you definitely gotta fluff. Alright, so I guess you have to put the lights on. Okay, I thought it was already lit one, but you have to put the lights on. I got the battery one, so there is a plug-in one, so I'm guessing that since you get the battery operated one, that you have to put your own lights on here that they give you, and it looks like you get all kinds of different motions on here, which I'm gonna go get some batteries and we'll check out the lights really quick, and then I'm gonna get to fluffing on this. All right, so it takes 3 AA batteries that I put in here, and it has one button and different things. Like the number 1 says combination, so I'm gonna put this here. 2 says in wave, that's in wave. Then there's sequential. Okay, it's gonna look different, of course, on the thing, on the garland. Then the next one is slow glow. You can see how it's slowly going there. I don't think it's doing anything on that side. Oh, there it goes. Now it's on the other side. Then there's a chasing flash. Okay. Then there is a slow fade. We've got a twinkle flash, there we go, and then a steady on, and then of course off. So there are 9 settings on it. Okay, so I'm going to be fluffing this up, as you can see, since it is flat for the shipping. And you know what, while I am fluffing this up, I'm going to show you a little bit of video, because I did do a video of my master bedroom to show you the new furniture and the bedding. So let's go ahead and check that out while I get this fluffed up, and then we will get started on the mantle. All right, so this is the new furniture. The 2 chairs and the table. They are from American Furniture. I picked out the chairs and my husband picked out the table. And these 2 pillows here, they're just pillow covers that I found on Amazon that I think coordinate really well with that bedding back there that I got from Target. Back up here we can look at the table. I think my husband did a good job of picking out the coffee table. All right, so let's go over here and check out the bedding. Now you get a comforter, you get 2, this is a king size one, 2 king shams in the stripes, but I just gotta have 3, so I just put my white one there, and you get 2 of the regular king shams. The Euro shams is 2, and the king shams and a comforter, and you get the bed skirt, and there's 2 accent pillows, which I didn't want to use. And that throw I thought coordinated well with these chairs, the plaid. I actually got that from Amazon. Let's go around here, turn around and look at it one more time. All right, so I have it up here, and as you can see, I've kept my everyday decor because I'm going to mix Christmas with everyday decor. I didn't want to bring too much stuff up. So I got something I want to put in the very middle, so I'm going to get that put there as my focal point, and then we're going to add a few more items. All right, so I put this Nutcracker that I have here. So I'm basically, since I have red and gold, and he's got the red and gold, and he's got some silver on him, and we got the white, so those are the colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be adding some more stuff to the garlands, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the candlesticks yet, so let me go ahead and play with the garland first. We're going to put some of those little swags that I have on there. All right, so I have some of these swags up here so far, and I'm only going to put 4 of these. I'm going to try another color with it too, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. And this is all that I have. This is some of these beaded swags that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. And let's see, what did I do on the other side? I'm just gonna put one over here because they hook. I like these because they just hook. Here. And kind of like, let's see, let's play with this a little bit. Maybe on that one right there. I think that looks pretty good. And you know what I normally like to do, because what I like about this garland is that it's not a big fluffy one, which I don't really care for those, because I like to add picks. Now I didn't grab any of my picks, but I do like to add picks. That's why I like to have these garlands that are a little more thinner, because then you can add more items to them and make them big and fluffy. And of course the big fluffy ones with all the stuff on it cost a lot more. All right, so let me grab my other little swag. So I think I have some red and gold ones. I think I'm gonna put them in between there. So let me go grab those real quick. All right, so I have these little ones. Now these, I believe I found at my local grocery store many years ago. They don't have the 3 beads to them, but they have 2, and they are probably about half the size. That's perfect because I'm just putting them in between these right here. I have to play with this one a little bit. Okay, I'll make that look a little nicer. And then I might add a few more ornaments in here. Okay, so I've been adding some of these pearly white ornaments. I got kind of a silvery color to them also, so I'm just kind of putting them where I have my little beaded swags here. Okay. So I don't know if I'm going to put any more in this area or not. I haven't decided, but I do need to find something to put on the candlesticks there. So let's see. Oh, I do have a couple more things I want to put on the mantle, so let me grab that too. All right, so here's how it turned out. I did put a few picks on there. I was able to find some picks. Now, granted, I would do something a little bit different, because I didn't pull all my bins out. I just did a few bins that were in the front down in the storage room. So lucky to get this. But I think it looks great. And I did put some picks into the garland over here. So I do have these picks in here. Whoops, it moved a little bit. Here we go. And then some of these. Kind of beefs it up. Like I said, I like to put picks in here. And I put a few picks on that fleur-de-lis, and I took the other one off of here and put my little Joy to the World sign on here. And that is just all picks. I can't get to my greenery bins. They're at the very back. So unfortunately, stuck with just finding a few picks. And I found a bin that had some large ornaments in it. So I just stuck those on top of the candlesticks because all of my candles are packed away. All right. Come back up here. Check it out. I'm actually going to back up a little bit further. I'm going to go behind the love seat. So, you know, we've been selling a bunch of furniture. I'm going to be selling these chairs and the ottomans, and of course the love seat that goes with it, and all those tables right there. Fortunately, they're just not gonna fit for us anymore, so. Okay. All right. I think this looks really nice. And I do like that I painted that. It just does make it stand out much, much better. I'd like to thank Miennes for sending me this beautiful garland. Now again, it is a 9-foot garland. Mine that I got is the battery operated lights, and there is one that you can plug in. So I will have the links down below. And you know, personally, I love this garland because I like to be able to add my own touches to it to personalize it. And I'll also have some links down below for my comforter up in the master bedroom and the pillow covers, because I think even though they're not exactly the same, they are a pretty good match. All right, that is going to do it for the video today. I am not sure when I will have another video. Like I said, it's just been so hectic around here lately, but I will keep in touch with you to let you know what's going on. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.